Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School. Over 19 years of technical expertise, completely on Microsoft products, especially data analysis, components, SQL, Power BI, and Python. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the very basics. What we do as a data analyst. As a data analyst, you and me, we are responsible for reading, extracting various formats of data, designing the reports and various representation of data elements, analyze the information, store it, shape it, share it in the form of reports in cloud, and involve in big data analytics and accurate decisions. Our key focus areas as data analysts include SQL database and queries, our stepping stone, the starting point of our training program for about 3 weeks, Monday to Friday, 3 weeks. And then we go for Power BI for about 1 month, 4 weeks. Then into Python with analytics and Excel integrations, another 1 month. So plan for total of about 3 months. With complete project and resume step by step. So in this data engineering program, a job oriented program, we are not into academic learning. We are into realistic scenario based step by step useful meaningful learning process with PL 300 certification guidance. Now, what is this PL 300? Yes, it is a Microsoft certification for data analyst. Coming to the data analyst, for Microsoft certification, we have this concept of PL 300. So our course involves this PL 300 complete guidance for certification. To make it more clear for us, on my screen now, Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate. The job role is data analyst and it involves our course involves complete guidance for this beautiful, very, very useful PL 300 certification Data Analyst Associate Certification Program. So we need to start with database concepts, SQL queries, slowly proceed for Power BI, and then step into Python. And at the end, we have Excel integrations and end-to-end project activities. So the kind of activities in our course, in our classes, would be completely into practice zone. Very, very useful for our job desk. So we are going to have the SQL concepts first, then Power BI concepts next. Finally, Python concepts with Excel and integrate everything together. Mock interviews, resume preparation, everything part of our course. Further clarifications, questions, please do reach me on my number directly, or you may also contact our award-winning team, a nice friendly team, on any of these contact numbers on the website. We have new batch almost every week. We request you to attend for 1 or 2 live classes to see how it goes. And from there, we shall continue for the next step, our actual course one by one. Wish you all the very best from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And let's meet live very soon as per your comfort. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon. Thank you once again.